In this video, I'll show you how to transfer ownership in Canva. First, open Canva and make sure you're logged into the account that currently owns the designer team. Ownership can only be transferred by the current owner, so this step is important. If you want to transfer ownership of a design, open the design and click the Share button in the top right corner. Add the person you want to transfer ownership to and give them edit access if they don't already have it. Next, open the Share Settings or Permissions panel. If the option is available, change their role to owner. In some cases, Canva may require you to duplicate the design and assign ownership during sharing. If you're transferring ownership of a team, go to Settings, then Team Settings, and open the Members section. Find the member you want to assign as the new owner. Now change their role to owner and confirm the transfer. Keep in mind that once ownership is transferred, you may lose certain permissions. After completing these steps, the new owner will have full control over the design or team. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.